racers, let's get ready to go. Pure Marshals, look alive. We're going racing on Sounding Zone.
15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
My one with the Lipo 2500KV. Looking good out there, you guys.
Oh my God.
Keep us in the middle there.
Sorry.
Coming on the sport line. Oh, yeah, a little accident there, right before the tower. There you go. Alright, coming on the sport tower right now. We have Rick Jr. in second. Austin in third. Winston fourth. Larry in fifth.
After 30 seconds, the top drivers are JR Tainmai in first place, followed by Rick in second place, followed by Austin in third place.
10.3. Rick in second, Austin in third. And you're looking pretty smooth out there.
9.9.
You got a convertible there. Not sure if that's legal. Got to check the sport director on that one. He's looking really good.
11.1.
Got the special paint job all black, moving RCP.
After 1 minute,
Holy
the
stuff
top
out
drivers
there.
are Austin in first place, followed by JR Tainmai in second place, followed by Rick in third place.
Junior taking them nice high line. Austin in first place. He went 9.0. 22.4 lap time. Austin flying off the white car up there.
9.7. 13.8. 10.3.
Top three drivers right now. Austin still in first place, pulling a 9.2. Junior pulling a 9.5.
Lovely.
The top drivers are Austin in first place, followed by JR Tainmai in second place, followed by Rick in third place.
Austin looking really smooth out there.
10.9.7.
There's our
12,
Austin
14.
right there. Rick takes over first place right now, pulling a 9.7 on that one. Driver there, Rick
9.9.
Junior, Austin, Larry, and
2
Will.
minutes left. The top driver are Rick in first place, followed by JR Tainmai in second place, followed by Austin in
back
first
straightaway
place.
right now.
9.9.
Passing Larry right there.
10.6.
Keep it nice and close. Still your top three are Rick, Austin, Junior,
10.6.
Larry and Winston.
11.9.
Backside here.
15.5. 9.8.
You got to give it to Austin, man. He just started racing this year.
After 2 minutes 30
Junior.
seconds, the
You
top
guys are
drivers are
moving
Rick in
up in
first
the ranks
place,
here.
followed by Austin in second place,
They're
followed
looking
by
pretty
JR Tainmai in
fast,
third
nice and
place.
smooth.
9.8.
Austin takes over first place, followed by Rick Jr. in third, Larry in fourth, and Winston back.
9.7.
Oh.
9.6. 12.8.
Austin still looking for that 8.2 run. He's getting really close. He's at 9.0 right now.
9.
Rick
9.8.
in second, Junior in
1
third.
minute left. The top drivers are Austin in first place, followed by Rick in second place,
Real close
followed by JR Tainmai in third place.
Austin and Rick.
9.6.
Junior right there, right behind them, waiting for things to happen. Here we go, passes.
45 seconds left.
Rick.
9.4.
Austin and Junior coming up on this here.
10.6.
Rick in third, Larry in
11.4.
fourth, Winston in fifth.
9.2. 9.8. 30 seconds left. After 3 minutes 30 seconds, the top drivers are Austin in first place, followed by JR Tainmai in second
Sorry.
place, followed by Rick in
Watch
third
Junior
place.
there. You go, Junior, nice and clear for you. Austin in first place right now, followed by Junior. Rick.
15 seconds left. 10.9. 10.8. 9.9. 11.10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 11.3. We're done.
All right, that's your race. Keep going, guys. Keep going. I'll mention your name. We're all
Austin
done.
done.
You guys still on time.
Larry done.
Austin.
JR Tainmai done.
Dude, that's
12. Winston done. All drivers are finished.
You're all done. Great
Race is
racing,
concluded.
guys. Austin taking that one there with a 24. Fast that one. Light out. Junior in second. Rick in third. Larry and Winston. Austin taking it out there, man. Looking nice and smooth, bro. Junior off.